Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to DreamView. I will tell you about how to check Google index of your website. First of all, go to Google Chrome, then type site colon yourwebsite.com. Enter. Here, total 23 pages has been crawled by Google. These all are pages. Go to second, go to third. Then check for another website. Site colon virtual.com. Just see, total 969 pages has been crawled. These all are pages. Go to second, third, like that. These all are pages. Total 969 results. This many pages has been crawled by Google. Like this friends, we can check index status. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, can comment below. I will respond to comment. Thank you.